object pronouns. For example, me and him. Let's look at it again. Kathy asks her husband James about someone at his work. Listen.
Do you know Chris Boyd?
Chris? Yes. He works in the same office as me. I saw him at the office party last night.
Do you know his wife, Anne?
No, I don't know her. Why?
James says he works in the same office as me. We say he works in the same office as me, not he works in the same office as I. He also says, I saw him and I don't know her. After a verb like saw or don't know, we say him or her, not he or she. Look at a table with object pronouns. We say, I talked to Jim. We use I before the verb talked. But we say, he called me. We use me after the verb called. We can use them to talk about people or things. You can go to the activity. Is the grammar correct? Choose yes or no. That's correct. We say, do you know them? And Susan called us last night. That's all.